Yeah, I'm recording.
Wait till the cop out.
Stop moving! Turn. No, no, turn the packet at me. Turn it. There you go. What is that, ladies and gentlemen?
Ball.
Oh, stop, stop. Throw it at it again. Oh, shit. It's gross. There's a piece there. Okay, well, you can rap for us in the meantime. Hey, you can rap for us in the meantime.
I wish I was Oscar Mayer, because I am a fucking ass beaner. Just like the band. Stop 1, 2, shit, and then I ain't a friend. We're almost there, you nigger. That sun will come off too, man. That sun will fucking come off like a nigger in a swimming. Ow.
You dumbass, dude.
Goddamn straight I am. Just a pope shit in the woods. That's what my dad always says. I'm like, are we far away from Arizona and shit? And he'll be like, there's a pope shit in the woods. I'll be like, oh,
Dude,
well.
they say that on San Andreas.
Are you serious? There's a pope shit in the woods?
Yeah.
That's what my poppy says. I don't know why you say a pope shit in the woods. I mean, I think a bear shit in the woods. You know, that makes more sense. Maybe even a fish shit in the woods. But goddamn pope. I don't know about that shit. When that motherfucker turns the corner, see that motherfucker over there. That motherfucker, see?
Nope.
See a fucker.
Nope.
See him?
Nope.
Guys, see the guy. You see him. He's right there. He's right there.
No, I don't see him. He's too far away. I can sort of see that little
totally
duck.
gone, we will evacuate the stop sign.
You dumbass. Oh.
He's almost gone. He's almost gone. He's almost gone. Oh my God, with apples.
Oh shit.
Oh my God, with apples. Oh, niggas with attitude.
Oh shit.